I'm Gary Blake. I'm the president and CEO of Creative Solutions in Healthcare. And we have been in this space for about 24 years, 25 years, January the 1st. That in itself is just really, it was beyond anything we thought as a company and a C-suite that we could get. What we realized was we get real-time messaging of real-time issues with Covr. A recent example down in our Victoria market, actually the oddest thing, a plane crashed, a small twin-engine plane crashed near our facility. We were able to, within a matter of 4 minutes, get a message out to all 120 employees for this one particular facility, most heavily impacted. And then we were able to also let people know, like in our panhandle facilities, when weather is going to be icy and colder, so people can plan ahead. Also, if you have surveyor activity going on in your facilities, you're able to communicate, hey guys, exciting news this morning. Surveyors are here for our full book. We've been planning all year to show them what a great job we're doing. Come ready, come get excited, and let's show the surveyors what a great job we do 365 days a year, not just the 4 days that they're here surveying. So the messaging is endless, the benefits are endless, and we are just more than excited to promote Covr, to promote Data IQ, because they are saving time, and time is money, and money is what impacts our residents' care. And that's what we want more than anything for them.